What up, you guys? We just had a really bad thunderstorm,
Let me check this one.
and oh my goodness, we had hail come down. You would think it was sonic ice was hitting my roof. Oh my goodness! But look what came after, y'all. It's drizzling a little bit, but you guys look at this rainbow. This is so beautiful.
Hey, I didn't see a rainbow in a while.
It's a double rainbow.
You see it?
It's two. Oh my goodness, you guys. Let me just, oh shit, I don't want to fall down these steps. Let me just try to see. There you go. Guys, look. And it's so vivid, you guys.
I don't smell it. You smell it now, me?
Not out here, no. Oh my goodness. Hi, you guys. I just wanted to show you guys the rainbow. All right, later.